abaya wa hase what you so what school no ya drama honorable Mitakai kwabra Mitakando me see what you so what school no ya drama ken obetima ya movie ya de no collaborate lewe ni ajako a obemama ya a very masterpiece just say ebe blow baby a o de obegina ha ya aunties bi o ase wo su ase wa yemo wo bo ase wa politician wanya sa obeda hu sa le wura wo ba time ye nche o ka kan kofie ne brother me hu amabo chi obi ojuma bra me ya national service betina me sika amada me chabro sa we so paya sika na ama ani asa post me 10 months me sika nsa ma adai ani awaba posting dey no ntimi nchia mako controller ti mi sika obi anje na mo ministry of health for mo na wasam activate me biometric mi chakwa ministry for na bro sa we so hwanya me anim ai na kwaprinti we mi printi ni nyina peti na mi sika na me dey ara what na ase ya na ya post me 10 months ensa nchia me ka na se mi sika no me national service no enipa na age dia nya me betua ne ka obetua ne na sefo ya na ka no ase tua
I want us say your video be yen share video be sisi a na ye bra na ye ba ye beto aso
I am a man enough. I never cry, but today I can't control myself, Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister, I can't control myself. I am in the person of Stephen Kwajotechia. I stand here on behalf of 6,500 nurses and midwives across the length and breadth of Ghana. Honorable, we came here to submit a petition to your high office. But before the petition, Honorable, I want to ask these questions. Are we citizens of Ghana?
We are slaves.
Honorable, are we being cared for?
We are slaves.
Who cares for the caregiver, Honorable?
Nobody.
How would the leaders feel if we travel to a foreign country for the president or the leaders there to treat us this way, Honorable? How would our own leaders feel if somebody employs us in a foreign land and the person maltreats us this way? Before I read the petition to you, Honorable, I want to quote our Honorable or His Excellency John Dramani Mahama during the recent UN General Assembly. He made a statement that the slave trade is the greatest crime ever against humanity. I want to put it on record that what is being done to us is a modern day slave trade. And this is the greatest crime any leader would do to their employees.
Question is Akando, Minister Akando, Honorable, please. This nkofu we e kom na ekon nti na mo ba ho. Enya campaign na mo ye. Enya campaign, they are not campaigning for you. And I say, meaning say in your mind no, na eya will say still ugusu campaign season. These people are angry, they are hungry. They have not been paid for over 10 months. And omubano, you were there. Oh, Rezu Sasi, oh, you Sasi, for what? On what purpose are you doing that? Are you encouraging them? Say, no, it's an embra more and accident. Actually, say what they are doing, you are not seeing it. And found into who say, who you say we are campaigning now, Mr. Akando. You are not doing campaign. This is a serious issue. Speech now, guy in my and Utie. Or see, President John Dramani Mahama or call UN meeting or catch them say. Slave trade was one of the biggest mistakes to me year before. But what you people are doing to these young children, young boys and men, young ladies and men, me cry because what you people are doing is inhuman. How can you employ somebody for 10 good months doing Shanika? But that same person, you expect that same person to wake up and go to hospital and go attend to the sick people. Sometimes, mumaya kanu kren. You see, mu ebi bebrena, mu sorry na mu si na say ni say na nurses for and debut. Mundim, mu ebi yadi diabetes e kro. Who diabetes e kro ubetwe mia. Ubetwe treat diabetes e kro. Mubetumi edi musa Musana udidi no ubetumi dia so that diabetes krom. These are the worker nurses for we aye. Inti say kitwa na o se mfama amkraro na adane Asem. And these people are demonstrating uba honum peja will say and you are telling them to give you more noise and accident. Mr. Kando, you people should sit down and pay the people. And yet, this is not time for campaigning. And your campaign season, and opposition. Now it is your turn to work. Do the work. And we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. And we think more of you people. And then maba muntu chankolaneka. A big class you muyi a BF. This is what they are alleging. It's one of their video. How true is this thing? You people know move. You people are not going to talk about that thing. Muti Ghana ha na DSTV DSTV na munkun DSTV na ye dodo se na to DSTV obokurumasi ye dodo se na ye tumi to DSTV. Kola ye juma muntu amuka mo pese mo betu amuka o ma ye juma brew for 10 good months mo pese mo betu amuka o baba wo ye usase and you want more noise move more noise nyame hwe mo na ba to na mo twa o good board na mo tie mo ntumi fa sas ka do tua nkola no akai wo ba wo be hwe ne say common din say akai mo ba mo be ja mo na kom be kun mu ya ye pam omu efi omu rented apartment mu sika hia na mutwa nkola we mu hia na up to now mu person be twa nkola no hana na mutum edin sa ebi mu hana na mutum edin sa musu ya ka kire mu mu nurses for ya ka kire mu ya ka mu ante ya ka because John Dramani Mahama manifested mu pointing go forward to me employer mu e wo nurses mu backlog of nurses na ya mu gufie obi se o wie school 2017. Yes, the reason why we to we school 2017 and before we juma 2024 and say President John Dramani Mahama, he refused to employ the people under his regime. From 2012 to 2016 or by he refused to employ you people. We have backlog of nurses a goofy. And until another na Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia omudi agenda 111 buy send the be more hospitals they can employ you people. But mudi sa you see John Dramani Mahama buy no or see rich hospital. Now rich hospital will be ebi o krom. It's corner for hon ko ye adwuma na. And now President John Dramani Mahama is hospital back work soon. We are going to vote. Now you voted for them. Muti now you went to vote. We vote now mo kotwe no. And now we hear demonstration or buy no or chira say more vim or ma vim say munye dede no da dede no wo ya ma chira wan ni pa na mo say munye dede no chira no no sa ma mo say more no. Next time you ka you will see you umanga sa muntina na mo hwe say oh na government be kra na adwen ho muntina na mo hwe mo say government be na adwen ho say back na me shira yin na.
Now, as I speak to you now, we're a 21-year group at home. We're a 22-year group at home. 2023 at home. And so the last batch that were employed was the 2020 batch, which is a major problem to government. So we are thinking through it and looking at how we can expedite action on their employment. There are two things we are doing. Government is looking at employing or recruiting some of you at the end of every year. We are also looking at how we can export some of you to the other countries who need this. About 13 countries have responded, and we're in negotiations with them. And so we are thinking about that, and we will take the box to find solution to this particular problem. Again, one thing we